Hi, my name is Atul Jindal, and I'm a founder director of Big Dance Center, and I am an artisan.
Welcome to No Pressure, the podcast where creatives tackle the tough questions about the business, honestly and without the stress. Today's guest is Atul Jindal, choreographer, director, and co founder of Big Dance Center, one of India's most influential dance institutions. Trained at Broadway Dance Center in New York and in video direction at USC, Atul has choreographed major Bollywood hits like Blue Eyes and Sayaji and directed large-scale performances for artists including Honey Singh and Shah Rukh Khan. Through Big Dance Center, he's been instrumental in shaping the next generation of dancers, bridging global styles with Indian performance culture. Let's say they found the right teacher, mentor, whatever. Now what?
Important thing they should do, अपना सोशल मीडिया बिल्ड करें. सो आई एम अगेंस्ट
Trends नहीं करने.
ट्रेंड नहीं करना. यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर. इफ यू स्टार्ट एंड यू पुट 100% into it, you can do anything.
If I am somebody who, let's say, doesn't have access to gear the same, for example, नहीं खरीद सकती मैं 5,000 का लियोटा. Have you ever had any situations where you've encountered students coming talking to you about perception and insecurity? Have you seen that?
बहुत होता है.
Hi Atul. Thank you so much
This
for
this
being.
word is little,
थोड़ा tongue twister है.
tongue
It's
twister.
an artisan. ना
An
तो-
artisan,
हाँ,
yeah. And
थोड़ा
I
tongue-
have a problem there.
नहीं
yeah.
सबके साथ होता है.
सबके साथ होता है, अच्छा.
I've always debated or changing the name, but that's a different thing. But thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you so much for invite.
Yeah, it's funny because I think when I first sit down to have these conversations with people I've known, it's a little bit more intimidating because you're like, where do you start? But for everybody that is listening in, can you take us through how your journey into dance started?
Okay, so जैसे सबके साथ होता है, I started dancing in school just for fun. It was nothing as in like, it was just to look cool in school, right? And then college team happened. I was in Khalsa College morning. There was a dance team. Competitions होते थे inter college, and I was very excited. I was like, ये करना है यार, ये cool लग रहा है. And then from there, I started my professional journey. Like I'm trained with Mr. Santosh Nair. It's a contemporary dance company in Delhi called Sadhya. And then a bit of Dance Works and Mr. Shamak Davar when I was young. And then Broadway happened and then Big Dance. So it's quite a long journey.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's fun. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so tell me, when you came back from Broadway, what are the first 3 things you noticed that were different about how the industries functioned there and here? Like, what did you come back to?
Okay, so I came back in 2008. So बहुत time हो गया. मतलब it's been like I think 17 years
was
back.
10.
Yeah, 17 years. Yeah. So
Okay.
I was 22. I was
Yeah.
22, 23.
Yeah.
So I was also young. So 22, 21, 23. I think kids at this time are much, better in terms of understanding the lot of things in the world. But we were young. So a few things I would say the dance education. There was quality, but it was very like there were only few companies who were doing it. And shout out to all the seniors like Mr. Shamak Davar did a great job and DanceWorks were doing great. But I was like it was in pockets. Like you could go to this company and learn this dance form. You could go to this company and learn this dance form. But there was no open system of learning, all Western dance styles. Because, India में एक myth था which I still feel it's still there कि आप एक ही dance form सीख सकते हो अपनी life में. Which I feel is wrong. Like you could do multiple discipline or multiple dance forms in one life. I have seen people internationally doing ballet and hip hop and they do great and they still do tap dancing. It's just like the amount of time that you will put in, you will obviously learn that skill.
But do you mean ke, matlab, like I'm doing ballet professionally, but hip hop and tap I do for myself? Or do you mean like people
like
who have
no
done
professionally
performing
Yes,
level across
yes,
the board?
across the board.
Okay.
I have seen like when I was there, I think if I still remember, So You Think and Dance ka either 6th or the 7th season was going on
Yeah.
in 2007-8, and there were people who would do ballet,
Everything, yeah.
jazz, contemporary, hip hop, all the routines like professionals. Like you can't say कि ये ballet dancer है, या you can't say कि ये hip hop dancer नहीं है. So I thought like that was missing one thing. The second biggest thing that we felt was infrastructure. To be honest, like the right floors, the right the music systems, because I have no complaint against it, but everything was happening in a school का basement और एक खाली basement में. What I realized के a lot of injuries were due to
Flooring.
Everyone knows it, but no one was trying to do it.
Yeah.
So second thing was that, and third thing, I think professional avenues nahi the. So if you learn dance, what will you do? It was still a major hobby thing to do, and it's fine because क्योंकि avenue थे ही नहीं, मतलब पैसा कैसे कमाएंगे? If you learn a skill, आपने वो सीख तो लिया है, आपने 2 साल किया, 3 साल किया, 5 साल किया, you paid so much money to attend classes, but how will you make money out of it? So these are the, I think, major 3 things that we thought is, and there was no education structure, which is still not there, but we are trying to do our part. But education structure, especially Western dance forms में, I feel अभी भी नहीं है to a certain extent. Classical, we have schools, we have, the whole curriculum for like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years. I'm sorry, I don't know the exact time, but there's nothing in Western dance styles.
Yeah.
So it's still not there, but
कोशिश
थोड़ा
जारी
है, कोशिश है, हम कुछ कर रहे हैं. So हाँ, ये
Yeah.
2-3 चीजें बहुत majorly missing थी. Yeah.
But when you came back and you're trying to create, you immediately created Big Dance.
It took me like 8-9 months. When I came back, I was like, करना तो यही है. And अब बहुत लोग पूछते हैं Big Dance कैसे हुआ, but like honestly it was like a dream and I had no idea where it came from. और अगर आप मेरे पुराने दोस्तों से मिलोगे ना, जो in 10th, 11th, 12th, I had a page where I wrote Big Dance.
Yeah.
I still have that page. And I might not find it right now, but I wrote Big Dance and it was like, I had no idea where it came from.
Yeah.
And अगर आप स्कूल के दोस्तों से अभी मिलोगे, they'll confirm it. I wrote Big Dance. And it happened. And when I came back, I was like, करना तो स्कूल ही है. Like, and also मुझे और कुछ पता भी नहीं था. Like, there were ऐसा कोई avenue नहीं था कि यार we'll go to Bombay and become a choreographer, or maybe we'll start performing
You
or
didn't want to
dancing.
do that at all.
I wanted Bombay thing. Bombay, I had one very strong feeling that if my work is good, और अगर मैं अच्छे से दिल्ली में भी काम करूंगा या मैं केरला या बिहार में रहकर भी काम करूंगा, तो if I'm doing great job, then Bombay will call me. And that was very clear because I never wanted to go to Bombay to start my career. I was like, let's build something here and then eventually we'll go to Bombay. And that was very clear.
Interesting. Okay. But what was the industry response when you first started Big Dance then?
Industry as in student wise or the industry wise? For me, industry is like a pop industry music video or a corporate sector or
Okay,
the
no,
Bollywood.
I'm saying dance industry.
Haan.
Like you're saying, there were a few players
Yeah.
in the industry. That response and audience response, when you like consumer response from that perspective, when you first started, what was your initial like experience of trying to build a dance company in India?
Yeah. It was starting में it was tough. For पहले 3 महीने कोई नहीं आया था. And we started the school, Karan and we started it together. And we were in Rohini, क्योंकि करण भी वहीं रहता था, हम भी वहीं रहते थे. So we have no idea कि यार South Delhi जाना है या East Delhi जाना है. तो it's like यहीं पे रहते हैं, यहीं पे करते हैं. It is. So we started this space in a mall.
In a mall?
In a mall. So it was a commercial mall. So in that mall, 4 floor, 5 floor तक you will have shops, but then you have offices. So we take a mall office space. प्रॉब्लम भी ये था कि उस टाइम ना उस स्पेसिफिक ईयर में वो कुछ शटडाउन चल रहे थे शॉप्स का. दिल्ली में वो कांग्रेस के टाइम पे देयर वाज अ ह्यूज थिंग एंड माय फादर इज लाइक कहीं घर वर में नहीं खोलना, इफ यू हैव टू ओपन कमर्शियल जगह पे ही खोलना. सो लॉन्ग टर्म हम उस चीज को लेते हैं. एंड माय फादर इज लाइक कि हाँ यार करना है तो अच्छे से करना है, डोंट स्टार्ट अ हॉबी सेंटर और समथिंग. सो 2-3 महीने तक कोई बच्चा नहीं आया था एंड वी हैड टू पे रेंट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, नॉट रेंट, वो मेरे डैड का ही स्पेस था, तो वी स्टार्टेड इट. तो हम बहुत स्ट्रेस हो गया था, बट आई थिंक दैट वाज द राइट टाइम व्हेन वी यूज्ड सोशल मीडिया and we started posting videos.
Before
Honestly,
social media
before
was
social
cool.
media, it was like जब मैं न्यूयॉर्क में था उससे एक साल पहले बिग डांस के ओपनिंग से पहले देयर वाज नो फेसबुक एंड यूट्यूब. इट मतलब वो उस साल में इंट्रोड्यूस हुए थे. सो वी वर ऑन Orkut that time.
Oh shit.
High Five and Orkut वगैरह
Orkut.
टाइप था. So I saw YouTube first time in New York when I was studying in New York.
yeah.
And then Facebook came. Then when we came back, it's like इसका use करते हैं.
Yeah.
And then 3-4 महीने बाद हमें समझ में आया कि we have to do something. Like we can't just sit and wait for people to come. And बहुत लोग बहुत कन्वेंशनल तरीके से कोल्ड कॉलिंग या फिर अखबार में कुछ चीजें डलती थी बहुत
Pamphlet.
पहले पैम्फलेट डलते थे. लाइक वी डिड दैट बट नो वन वाज कमिंग. इट्स लाइक social media can be the power, and then we started posting videos.
Yeah.
And then people started coming. Honestly, first season was great, and from there onwards,
It's
it's ups and downs, but it's nice. Yeah.
how do you balance? I mean, we were talking about this a little bit earlier, but how do you balance your creative side of things and actually running an institution? Because you are a dancer first.
Yeah.
So, what does that journey look like for you?
That's a tough one. So it's a tough thing to balance. For me, it's next to impossible. People might do it. I have met the biggest dance institutes in the world, from Movement Lifestyle in LA or Kinja's running studio in China. And everyone says the same thing, because the bigger it becomes, the more time it wants. और आपके अलावा और कोई टाइम दे नहीं सकता है. जो आपका विजन है टू हैव, जो आर्ट के साथ बिजनेस के साथ आपको बहुत सारे लोग मिल जाएंगे, बट देन दे विल स्टार्ट सेलिंग इट एज अ प्रोडक्ट. बट जब आप एज अ डांसर कुछ बनाता है एज अ कंपनी, ही वांट्स टू सेल, बट ही वांट्स टू सेल द रियल आर्ट. और जो है तो वो बैलेंस करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. What I realized, to figure this out, you need to have a right team. And if you have a right team who जो आपको समझे, आपके विजन को समझे, and that is the only way you can do it, to have a right
but
team.
team भी तो आपकी बाद में आई होगी ना. Like the thing is that, I mean, this across the board सारे artists के लिए यही है कि I can't afford to pay a team right now. Like when you're first starting out, I'm saying, right? Like, so at that point, how did you juggle these two sides of your personality? Because you've also built a brand as Atul the choreographer or Atul the dancer, right? And they're all strong brands in their own essence. And Big Dance Center in itself is a different brand. So how do you manage that distinction?
I think I was lucky to have Akanksha with me from the first day.
Shout out Akanksha.
So, yeah, shout out to Akanksha. So, I was dating Akanksha before even Big Dance started. So she was in college. I was teaching Hansraj, and we started dating. Sorry, guys, but I have done it once, and I got married to Akanksha, so it's okay. So, yeah, it's a weird
one
thing.
Time only.
Yeah. So she was 100% involved in Big Dance from day one.
Yeah.
So that was my strongest part, that I have someone I can believe, and she would stand with me 24 hours. Even she was studying, even after college, she went to NIFT. इतना tight schedule होने के बाद भी she was always there for me. Like there was a time when I was not in India for 6 months, and she handled the whole business while she was studying.
Damn.
While she was doing a lot of things, while she was working in Adidas as an intern, and she managed everything, and Karan was there. Obviously, Karan was a great support. But can I tell you, मैं आपको honestly बताऊंगा, we had no idea what we were doing, to be honest. The more we think about business now, the more difficult it looks. पहले हम सिर्फ आर्ट बना रहे थे, ठीक है, हम जाते थे स्टूडियो, वी वुड टेक क्लास, वुड थिंक अबाउट के और बच्चे कैसे लेके आने हैं, वी वुड पोस्ट मोर वीडियोज, वी वुड टेल पीपल टू कम टू आवर स्टूडियो पर्सनली, या जिन लोगों को हम जानते थे वी वुड इनवाइट देम, और वो वैसे ही होता चला गया. वंस आई फील आर्टिस्ट को बिजनेस से जब इंट्रोडक्शन मिलता है तो आई थिंक वो ज्यादा सोचने लग जाता है. आई थिंक द ब्यूटी ऑफ नॉट नोइंग थिंग्स is also great, and we had no idea what we were doing, and I think 2-3 साल ऐसे करते रहे और अपने आप ही चीजें आती रही. I think we had मतलब उस टाइम हमने बिजनेस का जेन्युइनली कुछ नहीं सोचा, तो आई वुड नॉट टेल यू.
Yeah.
अब हम सोचने लगे हैं,
Yeah.
एंड आई फील आई वांट टू गो बैक टू दैट प्लेस अगेन वेयर
It's about
यार
creation.
बिजनेस और मनी कोई और संभाल लो. बिकॉज एज इससे पहले जब हम बात कर रहे थे, आई वुड, द मोर यू थिंक अबाउट आर्ट, the less you think about business. The more you think about business, the less you start thinking about art.
Yeah.
Art is what giving the business. Business is not giving art. So
Yeah.
a lot of people are, for me, I have realized that I was doing the same mistake for past 2-3 years. Because COVID के बाद क्या हुआ कि यार sustainability लेके आनी है.
Yeah.
That is more important.
Correct.
तो आर्ट बनाने की जगह वी वर ट्राइंग टू मैनेज फंड्स, डूइंग मोर PR,
Yeah.
डूइंग मोर कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट्स. We started doing weddings, which is okay. Sustainability is the most important thing for any
For
business.
sure.
But if you do lot of thinking on business, then you're not creating any art.
Yeah.
और अगर आर्ट नहीं होगी तो बिजनेस
तुम क्या ही
नहीं
बेच
बढ़ेगा.
रहे
तो
हो?
क्या ही बेचेंगे ना. At the end of the day, you're not selling anything. You're just using the products that you have created and
Yeah.
just using it again.
Yeah.
So I feel like art is the biggest thing you should create to get more business.
I want to come back to this in a second, but before we understand the business side of things, अभी आपने बोला था कि as avenues when you came back from Broadway, there were limited avenues.
Yeah.
In your mind, जो अभी का landscape है, can you break that down for us in terms of what are your actual options when you come back as a dancer?
Yeah.
How has performance changed?
Yeah.
How has teaching changed? What are the, like, if, let's say I've come back from dance school somewhere
Hanji.
right now. What does India look like?
India looks great to me. मतलब in terms of making money, right? In terms
As
of
a dancer.
you can do it. जब हम आए थे, social media was not that strong. ठीक है? So there are multiple things. You can teach. There are a lot of studios now. Lot of studios. When we opened our studio 10 years back in Bombay, there were only practice studios, or you would rehearse there.
Yeah.
There were no
Rental.
rental studio.
Yeah,
मतलब आपका गाना हो रहा है, आप जाके शूट कर लो, प्रैक्टिस कर लो, आपका वहां पे प्रैक्टिस हो
Because
जाएगा.
film
जाइए.
industry थी
Film
ना,
industry
वहाँ
थी.
पे थी.
कोई स्कूल नहीं था. Apart from again
Dance Works,
Dance
Shamak.
Works and Shamak and Terence was very
Correct.
strong there.
Yeah.
But if you go, there were no places to where you can go and pay and learn, or
Yeah.
you do regular classes or a regular training. It is just 10 years back. Now you can teach, fine. Now you can choreograph, like for a ad commercial, for a music video, for movies. There are so many things, like so many ad commercials maybe, then there are social media ad commercials, then there are TV commercials and stuff like that. There is
Sure.
lot of things. Sometimes मेरे पास कुछ चीज आता है, मैंने कि ये भी होता है. Like I recently did a social media ad commercial for RCB, like Virat
Yeah.
Kohli. तो मतलब मुझे नहीं पता था कि वो इतनी बड़ी एड और इतना पैसा लगा के सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया पर डालेंगे. बिकॉज
Sure.
फॉर मी, आई कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी ओल्ड स्कूल बैकग्राउंड. लाइक
Yeah.
टीवी में चलेगी एड. लाइक टीवी में नहीं चलेगी भाई, ये सोशल मीडिया और
Yeah, yeah.
यूट्यूब पे आएगी.
Digitally,
लाइक
हाँ.
देन यू कैन असिस्ट ऑल्सो एट मल्टीपल प्लेटफॉर्म्स, राइट? यू कैन असिस्ट अ टीचर, यू कैन असिस्ट a music video choreographer, and then there is a big chunk of money in corporate sector.
Sure.
You can become a corporate choreographer, as in like if there's a brand launch, के फोन का launch है, तो वो बहुत लोगों के पास जाते हैं कि आप entertainment में क्या कर सकते हो या launch act में क्या कर सकते हो. You can
Yeah.
either be a choreographer और या अपनी टीम के साथ कर सकते हो, or you can be a part of
Got
any
it.
choreographer team. Like we do a lot of corporate
Yeah.
shows, so you can go there.
Yeah.
And then there are weddings. Very big market.
Yeah.
Very big market. Anyone can do wedding.
Yeah.
You can be a choreographer. आपको ranging from 30,000 to 30 lakhs, whatever your caliber is,
Yeah.
whatever your skill set is,
Yeah.
you can pick a wedding project, and it's very easy.
Yeah.
Everyone can do it. Anyone can do it.
Sure.
And as a choreographer के अलावा, you can be a dancer, background dancer on a संगीत or anything. But this is something that I don't do, but I don't
Yeah,
push for
sure.
also.
It's an option.
The biggest thing can be a social media now. You can scale your social media by doing videos. Obviously, you can get brand deals. है ना? Lot of dancers are doing music videos now, especially in Delhi.
Yeah.
जब मैंने 2013 में first song was Blue Eyes, the choreographer was, we were from Delhi. Yo-Yo Honey Singh lives in Delhi. The director was Delhi based. The production was Delhi based. हम shoot करने बॉम्बे गए थे. मुझे नहीं पता क्यों. आई वॉज वेरी यंग, तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था. मैं 23-24 साल का था. मुझे ये भी नहीं पता कि क्यों बॉम्बे क्यों जा रहे हैं. आज मुझे रियलाइज होता है बिकॉज
Set.
वो सेटअप नहीं था यहाँ पे.
Set, yeah.
लाइट्स हैं और जो भी प्रोडक्शन सेटअप था या डांसर्स थे. आई नीड मतलब डांसर हम दिल्ली से लेके गए थे. बट नाउ अगर आपको आज 100 लोगों के साथ शूट करना है, इवन 3-4 साल पहले तक इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल इन दिल्ली, बट नाउ इट्स पॉसिबल. सो है बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. उसके भी सब डिविजन्स बहुत सारे हैं. इफ यू ट्राई एंड फिगर आउट, there is definitely a lot of ways to make money.
Okay. I mean, obviously that's promising. From the lens of somebody who is trying to become a performer. Okay. Let's say either side of things, right? But mostly I'm saying from the lens of somebody who is saying, I want to be part of like a performance troupe or a company or thing.
Yeah.
What does that landscape look like today? Because, and this could be a third. I mean, I don't know if I should count myself as a third person or anything, but that's
No,
a
you're a
separate...
part of a community. हाँ जी.
Arey! That's, I mean, from either lens, I mean, I still feel like there are very specific performance opportunities that come up,
Yes.
right? कि ठीक है, like you said, in all of what you've said, social media is obviously one very big one, and that also there's a threshold कि ठीक है 50,000 हो गए, 1,000 whatever, 1 million followers हो गए, whatever. There's that categorization can happen, right? But what is the performance thing? Because I still don't see a lot of productions happen the same way. It's either like NMACC, Mughal Azam type, which is a very
Which is
different
bigger,
ball game.
bigger, yeah.
Or then I see like showcase material, right? Which is like...
See, you're right. So मैं इसको 2 parts में divide करूँगा. When it comes to performance for a event which is paid event,
Sure.
there are a lot of options.
Yeah.
You just need to find out the right companies and right people. But when it comes to what you are saying, जो हम पहले करते थे, वो नहीं है. Genuinely नहीं है. And there is a reason because of the social media. Because now अगर मेरे को I'll share it with you. If I have to make a production which I want to take, जब हम संतोष सर के साथ काम करते थे, we would work on a production for 3 months.
Exactly, yeah.
We'll book a Kamani. Sir will obviously book a Kamani. We might have money or not. We'll sell tickets. हमको पोस्टर दिए जाते थे. हम लोग खान मार्केट में जाकर कुछ ऐसे स्पेसिफिक लोकेशंस हमने नोट डाउन करे हुए थे 15-20, जहाँ पे जाकर हम सारे थिएटर्स में जाके लगाएंगे. People will see it, buy 200-400 rupee ticket and come and watch. So our idea was to fill that. हमारा सक्सेस क्या है? To fill that 632 seats and do multiple, if we can do multiple shows or a multi-city tour or something like that. But वो नहीं है. Honestly नहीं है because people don't have time. को 3 महीना कोई लगाएगा नहीं अब. And I feel like अगर लगाएगा भी, I don't know. I am not finding the people. I want to create a production. I want to do the similar things back again. But people don't have time or people don't give time for free now. And those production will never make money unless until आप उसको किसी brand को आगे नहीं बेच रहे हो. Just like Mughal Azam, I know because they practice in big dance. It is a paid show for every rehearsal or whatever. It is. But if you're starting and if I want to make that production now, either I have to pay from my pocket, which is impossible to pay for 50 people. But Santosh sir के time में we would not get money or not that much. We will get like 4,000-5,000 rupees कि यार चलो 3 महीने तक आ रहे हो आप करो. But वो कभी दिमाग में नहीं आता था. अब now it has become very difficult. If I have to find 50 people, the first thing is like how much, what time, and वो थोड़ा सा ना ऑफ हो जाता है उस टाइम. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स देयर इज नो परफॉर्मेंस एवेन्यू टू बी ऑनेस्ट और वेरी लेस एंड वी फील दैट. एंड मतलब हम काफी कम्युनिटी में इस बारे में बात भी कर रहे हैं. देयर आर कॉम्पिटिशंस, देयर आर battles happening, but there are no performances happening.
But do you think that's also a translation of what's happened music wise? Like you're saying, like what Red Bull did right now, for example, Dance Your Style. A lot of these battles, there's a hip hop culture that has been built over the last, let's say, decade only, right? Because usse pehle Ashley tha, Shamak tha, which is jazz, Bollywood, contempt, was still at the forefront of it, right? Like hip hop has become huge right now as a subculture. So the direct translation of that is battles or ciphers, right? Like that community shows up very, very differently. They're not dancing on stage for performances, right? Is that just a translation of culture that way, or is it only a translation of money? or both?
I feel both. I feel both.
Yeah.
Because now that's the music that you want to hear. That's the vibe that you want to feel. And it's like, what, 30 seconds on stage.
Yeah.
And it's a battle. And that why they are doing it is because वो format काम कर रहा है. People want to see that.
Yeah, it's
People
exciting.
want it's exciting. To see a contemporary performance for 40 minutes, you will not get.
Yeah.
You have to put in a lot of effort to do it. Like, it's the format that will work. Maybe I'm not the right person who is doing it, and honestly, I don't want to put that effort now because if I want to do it, I want to do it the way I have seen internationally. I don't want to do कि ये बस हमने बना के कर दिया है. तो उसके लिए बहुत एफर्ट एंड वी आर नॉट फाइंडिंग द राइट पीपल टू डू इट ऑनेस्टली. मतलब अगर किसी को एक छोटी सी चीज के लिए भी आज बोलें तो people want to do it fast, people want to do it for fun, and I feel like it's a sad part, but performances definitely कम हो गई हैं.
But okay, in terms of like, again,
You're not satisfied.
you're the only person who's called me out on this. I was like,
No, it's okay, it's okay.
No,
I think this podcast is more like because
It's
we
a
both
conversation.
both come from a very similar background.
Yeah.
आप भी dancer हैं, so I think it's good to have that conversation because shout out to Tanuj, अभी एक है हमारे scene में and he wants to
From
build.
Bombay.
Yeah, from
Yeah,
Bombay,
of
you
course.
know.
Yeah.
He's like, sir, performance avenues create करने पड़ेंगे because battle हर Saturday Sunday हो रहा है.
Yeah.
है ना? Red Bull is big now.
Yeah.
India finals उनका last year India में हुआ है, like
Yeah,
world finals
yeah,
India
yeah,
में हुआ है.
yeah.
So
Shout out Red Bull.
Yeah, Red Bull finals, India final is on Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah.
So, but अगर हमें 3 मिनट से ज्यादा की चीज बतानी है, तो where is the platform?
Yeah.
तो like it's there, yeah.
I mean, that I see even with social media, honestly. Like, okay, if I want to create something, and I don't know how you do this, so I'd love to understand that for also. Like, okay, music video is one where there's a story.
Yeah.
But in general, I feel like a lot of the creation process has become media friendly, right? So, how do you look at the creation of content from the perspective of still having like an authentic creative voice to it? How, like, do you have a process to that?
For the past things that जो किया है या आगे के लिए, मतलब what do you feel like पुराना
Past.
वाले में, past में?
Up until, let's say, today.
I am not happy with like lot of things, like you know, क्योंकि if you talk about, so उसमें भी सब डिविजन्स हैं. अगर आप स्टेज कर रहे हो तो आप कितना कर पा रहे हो, आप म्यूजिक वीडियो कर रहे हो तो लेट्स जस्ट से टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ म्यूजिक वीडियो. फाइन, आई एम डेफिनेटली नॉट हैप्पी बिकॉज अभी बहुत ज्यादा म्यूजिक वीडियो एज अ कोरियोग्राफर इट्स अबाउट दैट 15 सेकेंड ऑफ अ हुक स्टेप दैट यू वांट, दैट अ ब्रांड वांट टू सी और अ आर्टिस्ट वांट टू सी. आई फील कोरियोग्राफर का रोल उससे बहुत बड़ा है because we know camera, we know movement, we know the camera movement, we know lot of things. I am not saying कि डायरेक्टर या DOP HODs को नहीं पता है, बट आप अगर गाने में से मूवमेंट को हटा दो, चाहे वो कैमरा की हो, चाहे वो डांसर की हो, चाहे वो आर्टिस्ट की हो, इट्स फ्लैट, इट्स 1D.
Yeah.
फाइन. सो वी कम फ्रॉम अ बैकग्राउंड वेयर वी कैन टेल के यार कैमरा को भी उतना चलाना है, स्पीड कितना होना चाहिए एंड उस मूवमेंट के हिसाब से क्या होना चाहिए. बट आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विद वॉट इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ एंड दैट्स वाई इफ यू सी, वैसे आ भी नहीं रहा है ऐसा कोई, मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि मेरे पास बहुत काम आ रहा है और मैं छोड़ दिया, बट आई एम गिविंग दैट एनर्जी दैट आई डोंट वांट टू डू इट बिकॉज आपके पास गाना आता है एंड देन यू आर लाइक के इसका हुक स्टेप बना के भेजो. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज लाइक, एंड देन हम 1 2 3 ऑप्शन भेजते हैं लाइक सेंड मोर, वी डोंट माइंड, वी सेंड इट टिल 12-15, बट देन when people across the table are not creative people and say something and it's सिर्फ उनका गोल ही रील्स बनवाने का है, then it is not something that I am very happy with. So तो वो creative process के लिए we have started this Big Dance Records where we want to create something. I know बहुत पुराने से कर रहे हैं और 1 साल हो भी गया, 1 साल में हमने सिर्फ एक ही वीडियो डाल पाए हैं, but it's okay if it will happen. The idea of Big Dance Record, if I can explain, is it's something that आपने जो पूछा कि आप कहाँ प्लेस कर रहे हो, तो मैं वहाँ नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. And I think lot of choreographers and even directors are not able to do it. I did a music video जहाँ पे 3 बड़े आर्टिस्ट थे, ठीक है. अब 2.5 मिनट के गाने में आप 3 बड़े आर्टिस्ट को लोगे, तो हम जब एडिट पे गए एंड देयर वाज अ ह्यूज फाइट बिटवीन तीनों के बीच में, स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस। तो अब स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस के लिए अगर 3 आर्टिस्ट लड़ेंगे, तो इमेजिन लाइक कोरियोग्राफी कहाँ जाएगी, यू नो द क्रिएटिव जो शॉट्स होंगे वो कहाँ जाएंगे। लाइक इफ यू सी इन म्यूजिक वीडियोस, you don't see any shot without artists now.
Yeah.
And if you see international videos, you will have a close up of like, you know, something random or a mood shot or a dancing shot where artist is not there. And it looks fun. It looks nice. It looks different. But यहाँ पे नहीं होता ऐसा. And that's why we started records, because I think जो वहाँ नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, whatever on a, चाहे छोटे स्केल पे करे चाहे बड़े स्केल पे करे, but we wanted to do it. So just to answer you, it's like वो पैरामीटर मैच नहीं हो पा रहा है, सो वी हैव केप्ट इट के हाँ यहाँ पे इफ यू वांट टू डू इट वी हैव टू डू इट दिस वे, यू कैन पुश इट टू अ सर्टेन लेवल बट यू कांट पुश इट मोर, बिकॉज बहुत सारे पैरामीटर्स है। डायरेक्टर का अलग प्रॉब्लम है, ऑब्वियसली ही इज और शी इज फेसिंग अ पुश फ्रॉम
multiple stakeholders,
and then artists come, then management come, फिर label आता है, फिर editor आता है, management comes.
Sorry.
But you understand, right? है ना? So yeah.
I think let's take one step back, okay? Like, I mean, I think हम दोनों बात करने बैठेंगे तो बहुत चीजें निकलेंगी यहाँ पे आज, but I'm just trying to also understand how to actually make this actionable, right? So, for example, I want to understand from you, how did you get your first music video project?
Okay, so first is very funny. Like, मतलब we have this show, student showcase हम उसको बोलते हैं. It happens every year. जो भी student summer में हमारे पास आते हैं PDSP program के बाद, so we choreograph multiple pieces with them. 2.5-3 मिनट के. It's like कि आप कभी पेरेंट्स बोले कि तू क्या कर रहा है, तो we do a show where there are professional people like a team performing and then student batches. So उस टाइम पे we started in 2013-14. Raftaar used to teach at Big Dance. He was a dancer. हाँ, Raftaar taught for 3 years.
Really?
He was Max at that time. So I met. मैं रफ्तार से तब मिला था जब वो कॉलेज में था, वो विप्स में था आई थिंक.
I had no idea.
हाँ, so बिट्स पिलानी में I met him. He was आई थिंक वो किसी कंपटीशन के लिए आया हुआ था एज अ कॉलेज. तो हम वहाँ पे मिले, फिर हम दिल्ली में मिलना स्टार्ट हुए हम लोग. तो ही इज लाइक ही इज अ वेरी स्वीट गाय एंड ही कॉल्स एवरीवन भैया. सो ही कॉल्स मी भैया एंड इज लाइक भैया मुझे बिग डांस में सिखाना है. आई वाज लाइक हम भी यंग थे और हमारे पास भी बहुत स्पेस थी. तो हमने कहा व्हाई नॉट. सो ही केम एंड ही टॉट 3-4 years he taught and he was making music at the same time. So he was working with Ani bhai and then he's like I'm performing and you guys come. So I had no idea that time. 13 उनके गाने ग्लासी सब आ चुके थे बट एज अ म्यूजिशियन आए थे और वो इतने बड़े नहीं थे. और मैंने जेन्युइनली इतना अच्छे से नहीं सुना था. पंजाबी म्यूजिक का उस टाइम इन्फ्लुएंस भी इतना ज्यादा नहीं था. और हम ब्रॉडवे से पढ़ के आते तो हम सिर्फ इंग्लिश गाने सुनते थे उस टाइम. नहीं मतलब इतना इन्फ्लुएंस जेन्युइनली नहीं था. पंगा वगैरह भी शायद आ चुके थे बट दिलजीत के गाने भी बट हमने नहीं सुने थे. तो ही केम टू वॉच आवर शो एंड आई हैड नो आइडिया ही वाज देयर. एंड उसके 2-3 दिन 4 दिन बाद एंड ही कॉल्ड, ही इज लाइक मैं आपके शो में आया था एंड आई वांट यू टू कोरियोग्राफ माय म्यूजिक वीडियो. एंड इट जस्ट हैपेंड एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई रिस्पेक्ट हिम अ लॉट. Because he's the only guy I know would bet on new talent, new people, young people from Delhi, Punjab, from the northern region. कि यार ये कर लेगा. और उसके बाद ना वो डाउट नहीं करते. Like मैं आपको एक इंस्टेंस लाइक कर लिया तो कर लिया. अब वो आएंगे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे एंड देन ही वाज सो बिग एट दैट टाइम. लुंगी डांस आ चुका था एंड पूरा एल्बम हिट हो चुका था. लुंगी डांस वाज द आई थिंक बिगेस्ट कमर्शियल हिट फॉर हिम दैट टाइम. एंड उसके बाद में ब्लू आइज आना था. इट वाज लाइक समथिंग रियली बिग. बट ही नेवर, मतलब उनका कोई ऐसा नहीं था कि नहीं होगा. क्यों नहीं होगा, करते हैं ना, प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, करेंगे. तो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाई आई आल्सो रिस्पेक्ट हिम बिकॉज मीर को भी एंड आकांक्षा को भी लाइक ही अगर उनको समझ आ गया ना देन ही डजंट केयर कि तुमने पहले क्या किया है. एंड दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ हनी सिंह बिकॉज रेस्ट एवरीवन called me after Blue Eyes. No one called me before Blue Eyes. So I respect
like
people.
After it blew up.
After, I mean, then उसके बाद तो बहुत सारी चीजें खुल गई but बट वो रिस्क लेने के लिए आपको कोई चाहिए आपके
Yeah.
साथ.
Okay, so today, if somebody is starting out as a dancer, what is the first thing that you think that they should do?
As in amateur wise or professional wise?
If somebody wants to become a professional dancer today, what are chalo the top 2-3 things that you think are important to start entering this as a career?
After training.
ये एक बार कैमरा में देख के बोलना.
After training. So if you are starting, why I'm asking this, because if you are starting, the only and only thing you should focus on is right training.
Yeah.
ट्रेनिंग का कोई ऑल्टरनेट नहीं है. Even if you want to make reel or you want to do something which you feel I don't need training, you still need training, believe me.
Yeah.
Because that is going to make you look different. बहुत सारे लोग मुझे मिलते हैं प्रोफेशनल, यार मुझे तो म्यूजिक वीडियो में बहुत पीछे खड़ा किया है, तो मैं ट्रेनिंग क्यों करूं? आप पीछे से आगे कैसे आओगे? ये भी तो आपको सोचना है ना.
Yeah.
मतलब तो वो ट्रेनिंग से ही आओगे. सो इफ यू आर स्टार्टिंग, आई वुड सजेस्ट 2 थिंग. वन थिंग इज आप अच्छे से ट्रेन करो. एंड अच्छे से ट्रेन करने के लिए द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज टू फाइंड द राइट मेंटोर एंड राइट स्कूल. If you are not training with right people, right mindset and right school, you will never get right track.
Yeah.
You will always be like फैला हुआ. And वो फैला हुआ पोजीशन मुझे बहुत खराब लगता है. मतलब आई डोंट वांट के मैं यहाँ जा रहा हूँ और 5 साल बाद मुझे पता चले मुझे तो जाना ही वहां था. माई जर्नी बिकम्स बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है. मतलब
But you know, I'm glad you said that, because this is something I guess for me, because my journey has also been different, I can ask this question from a different perspective, right? But in terms of finding your right mentor
Yeah.
and your right teacher, right? Because एक तो हमारे हर स्कूल में आबादी बहुत है,
हाँ.
right? So like also finding somebody who is, let's say, actually able to give you time, effort, the right mentorship, right? If you're looking for the right teacher, how do you know what is the right thing if you haven't experimented one? And if you haven't experimented and you're with that person, what are the things to like look for to know that this is a good teaching relationship?
यार अगर आप genuinely देखोगे तो you have dance schools, for example let's just take big dance. From an outsider you see what they are doing, कितने टाइम से कर रहे हैं, उनके कितने सारे लोग उनके यहाँ से are doing what they wanted to do, right? What projects they are doing. If you want to be commercially, then commercially you won't want to, अगर आपको म्यूजिक वीडियोज या कमर्शियल पार्ट करना है तो इज दैट पर्टिकुलर स्कूल और वो इंडिविजुअल कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है, टॉक टू देम, मीट देम, फाइंड पीपल फ्रॉम योर सिटी जिन्होंने वो एक्सपीरियंस किया है. आई मीन लाइक हर चीज का सोल्यूशन ना ढूंढने से मिल जाता है. यू हैव टू बी एक्टिव. माई डैड यूज्ड टू से के लोग बात ही नहीं करते हैं. लाइक बहुत सारी चीजें बात करने से बहुत सॉल्व हो जाती हैं. अगर आप सोचोगे कि यार मैं जाऊंगा, गो टू दैट स्कूल, गो टू दैट पर्सन. आई एम अवेलेबल. पूरा दिल्ली बॉम्बे में मैं एक बार दिन में जाता ही जाता हूँ. एंड इफ आई एम देयर, इफ यू कम एंड से हाय, एंड इफ यू आप मेरे से 1 घंटा ही बात करोगे ना, मैं आपको 1 घंटा समझाऊंगा. बिकॉज दिस इज वॉट आई लाइक, दिस इज वॉट आई एंजॉय जेन्युइनली. आप मेरे से बिजनेस की बात करोगे तो आई माइट बी लाइक यार मेरा ऑफ सा हो जाएगा. बट इफ यू आस्क मी सर दिस इज माई लाइफ, मैं यहाँ से आया हूँ, वॉट शुड आई डू? And I think there are 20 people on panel who would love to do the same thing. But people are not taking that effort to come and speak to you.
Why do you think that is?
I think they are scared. I think lot of things, मतलब education has to do a bigger role here. For dancers, I always say, लोग पढ़ते नहीं हैं. लोग पढ़ाई छोड़ के डांस करने लग जाते हैं. It's the worst thing that they will do. आप पढ़ाई करो. स्कूल जाने से, कॉलेज जाने से आपका बहुत इंटेलेक्ट लेवल बढ़ता है. यू गेट टू मीट पीपल. आप नई नई चीजें सीखते हो. आप ट्रैवल नहीं करते हो, ट्रैवल करो. अपने शहर में लोगों से बात करो. कम हेयर, डोंट बी स्केर्ड. द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई से इन माई ओरिएंटेशन जो PDSP का होता है इज लाइक गाइज नेवर बी स्केर्ड टू आस्क एनीथिंग. आप आओ. देयर इज अ वे, देयर इज अ टाइम. यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट टाइम. एंड अगर आप किसी के पास भी जाके कुछ भी पूछोगे, आप हेल्प भी मांगोगे, आप बोलोगे ना मुझे 1 घंटा बाहर सिखा दो, तो भी आपको टीचर मना नहीं करेगा. बट अगर आप नहीं करोगे तो कैसे होगा? आई थिंक इट्स द कॉन्फिडेंस. लॉट ऑफ पीपल कम फ्रॉम वेरी स्मॉल सिटीज. दे आर इज लाइक हम दिल्ली आ गए हैं, बॉम्बे आ गए हैं, हम लोग हम लोगों के बड़े बड़े स्टूडियोज हैं, हम लोगों के बड़े बड़े प्रोफाइल हैं, तो उनको बेचारों को डर लगता है कभी कभी कि यार बात करेंगे, कोई कल को कुछ को होता है ना कि गलत ना बोल दे या डांट ना दे, बट आई थिंक ऐसा होता नहीं है, ऑल
But
नहीं
also
होता ऐसा।
teacher, like, I mean, if it's about correction, not scolding, I guess. Like, I think even scolding is a part of
Yeah. वो
correction
अब नहीं
only,
होता,
मतलब।
बट आई फील आई एम लाइक दैट, तो मैं तो वही करता हूँ,
डांट देते हो आप।
मैं तो डांट देता हूँ, मैं तो बिकॉज आई फील लाइक अगर मेरे डांटने से उसको कुछ समझ आता है ना,
Yeah.
वैसे भी एक बताओ, डांट के बिना आज तक किसी को कुछ समझ आया है? मतलब व्हेन यू से इट प्यार से ना, इट इज ओके, मतलब डांट इन द सेंस नॉट बिकॉज मैं उसके अंदर कुछ कमी देख रहा हूँ, आई थिंक वो उसके माइंड में रह जाएगा कि ये मुझे डांट पड़ी है ना, तो वो
अगली
कहीं
बार
ना कहीं
नहीं।
अगली बार करने में शायद, दिस इज माई
I
थिंग,
think, yeah, I think
बिकॉज हमें तो बहुत मार भी पड़ी है यार,
this.
और हमें तो मतलब मार इन द सेंस ऐसे थप्पड़ नहीं,
नहीं,
बट
but-
उनके हाथ में अगर शायद सर के हाथ में जूता भी होता है, चप्पल भी होती है, या आई थिंक कुछ होता तो वो फेंक देते थे, एंड वी वुड नॉट माइंड,
But
मतलब
all of us, like, I think when
Yeah.
when we were first learning, but that's also like a cultural shift,
Yeah.
right? I mean, हमारे टाइम पे, like, even in classical and stuff, if I've heard so many
Yeah.
stories, कुछ भी होता है ऐसे पैर के पीछे एक
हाँ.
लगा था, cause correction, right? But yeah, like, I mean, that's a generational shift that's also happened कि हम हर चीज triggering हो गई है. Sorry, this part of the podcast I
नहीं, it's
make.
okay. नहीं, अभी मैं कल परसों आई वाज टॉकिंग टू डॉनी, आप भी
Yeah,
जानते होगे
yeah,
उनको, तो इज लाइक यार बहुत फर्क आ गया है,
Yeah.
लाइक हम पहले जब हम ट्रेन करते थे, अभी वो स्कूल में टीचर है, डांस टीचर, वो कह रहे हैं हम तेज बोल भी नहीं सकते बच्चों
Yeah,
को,
yeah.
अगर हमें बच्चों को डांटना है तो हमें एक काउंसलर को बुलाना पड़ता है पहले, जो कि अपॉइंटेड है, एंड इट्स आई डोंट वांट टू से इट्स अ बैड और गुड थिंग, बट मतलब आप कह रहे हैं आप तेज भी नहीं बोल सकते,
Yeah.
आपको पहले किसी को काउंसलर को बुलाना पड़ेगा, आप उनको बोलोगे, वो उनको समझाएगा, एंड आई वाज लाइक, डॉनी आर यू सीरियस? लाइक यस, 8 teachers lost their job because
They shouted.
And these are all top A-look school, because kids are like, I am not feeling fine,
Yeah,
I am under so much of pressure,
Yeah.
and
See, I like that. That's the thing. Like, it's a hard thing, and I guess this is a longer conversation and
Yeah.
a separate like thing, because I understand. Like, I like the fact that we've come away from maybe a system that could have in some points been abusive also. Like, it's not uncommon to hear of things jहाँ पर मतलब actually मार पड़ गई, something happened. That's fine. But yeah, I think that like the resilience थोड़ा कम हो गया है कि हम
yeah,
हम कुछ नहीं सुन सकते अब.
हाँ.
But okay, now that we are talking about education, okay, so this person is now training. Coming back to our earlier
Yeah,
question,
yeah, so-
they're training. They are under, let's say, they found their right teacher, mentor, whatever.
हाँ
Now what?
I feel like one very important thing they should do, अपना social media build करें, not in a way where they are doing. So I am against doing the stuff which is already, like let's just say
Trends नहीं करना.
ट्रेंड नहीं करना, क्योंकि ट्रेंड में आप कर क्या रहे हो? आई नेवर अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट. कोरियो उन्होंने बनाई, ठीक है, डांस किसी और ने कराया, सिखाया किसी और ने, आप वो स्टेप बार बार अपनी रील पे करके
Yeah.
what are you achieving? If you're getting paid for it, do it 100%. If they will pay me, I will do every hook step in the world. But why will I do it when it's not my original choreography? Just for few likes and shares. If you are happy, then it's okay. I'm okay with that. But आप अपना ओरिजिनल वर्क डालो. जो आपको गाना अच्छा लगता है वो लो, जो आपका स्टाइल है वो लो, shoot amazing videos and post it. For me, social media is a place where you can build your business and build your profile. But if you are doing random reels with random hook step, it is not going to take you anywhere. So पहले क्या होता था? पहले भी यही होता था ना कि हम 600 लोगों को टिकट बेच के दिखाते थे. आज वो ऑडियंस फोन पे आ गई है, बट हम उनको वो दिखाते थे जो हमें पसंद था, जो हम बनाना चाहते थे. आज हम वो बना रहे हैं जो ऑडियंस को पसंद है. सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस.
Yeah.
मेक वॉट यू लाइक, वॉट यू वॉन्ट पीपल टू सी. उसका लाइक्स व्यूज कम आएंगे ना, इट्स ओके. अगर 1000 अंधों ने आपकी वीडियो देखी तो किसने क्या देखा? बट इफ वन राइट पीपल विल सी इट, आई ऑलवेज मेक कंटेंट फॉर दैट वन राइट पर्सन. टुमारो व्हाट इफ एनी बिग डायरेक्टर विल सी माय वर्क, इज लाइक इसको लेके आओ. सो दैट इज मतलब
Yeah.
वो मेरा प्रोसेस है उसके लिए. आई डोंट वांट 1000 and 1000 and 1000 ऑफ पीपल सी, बिकॉज आई पर्सनली फील किसी को भी ब्रांड डील नहीं आ रही है.
Yeah.
it has drastically gone down.
Because the relevance, the
Relevance ही नहीं है
newness
ना.
of it has
Newness
gone.
नहीं है क्योंकि हर बंदा इन्फ्लुएंसर है. जब मेरे 100 के हुए थे, I was very happy and I don't take social media इतना seriously नहीं लेता हूँ मैं. But it's like I will start making money. कि यार I will get a brand deal and I was getting brand deal but आधी मैं करना नहीं चाहता था, आधी मेरे पास आ नहीं रही थी. But now post COVID कुछ आया, but now I see like after 200K also I don't get brand deal. So with that kind of a credibility and following, if I am not getting, who is getting? मतलब सबको तो नहीं मिल रहा होगा ना, वो 5% of लोगों को मिल रहा है. So I think build that social media, अपना काम बाहर डालो, अच्छे से उसको पोस्ट करो and wait for it. I think that's the platform where you should.
So treat it more as my CV
Yes.
than a
Visual CV.
distribution
Yes,
channel.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
like this is where people will recognize my work.
Yes, because आप अगर ये देखोगे ना, so if I do a music video, there is no agency for dancers in India, and I think you guys should build it. Like this is something the conversation.
There is an agency that now manages. There are multiple agencies that manage the dance influencers.
Yeah.
What we're talking about now, right? Like,
but not the dance community.
this is a very interesting topic that you have touched upon, because I've thought about this many times of what is the thing that is holding people back. Like, I'm not even saying as a me thing. When we have talked about it at different levels, I feel like there is a hesitance because they don't know how the revenue works.
Yeah, revenue will be a
अब
huge
तुम
problem.
15% किस चीज का ले रहे हो, for example, right? तो मान लो somebody does it. I'm just trying to understand, right? Because as an influencer, you know you're getting 15% off brand, right? Which is fair and that's decent money.
Yeah.
As somebody who represents a dancer, and by virtue of that, to understand as a dancer, what do the numbers even look like? Uska, like, can you try and find a way to summarize?
यार वो बहुत इतना नहीं है जितना होना चाहिए. That's why I think कोई है नहीं उसमें. Because if you have an artist जो 10 लाख रुपए लेता है and the 15% of 10 lakh rupees is a big amount for an agency. But dancer value will be like what, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 to put that much of like maybe a equal effort to crack that deal for a dancer is like what, 7,000, 8,000 rupees for agency. But
1 second, to clarify, we're talking about what deals here?
Brand deals, like social media brand deals.
Okay.
But what I want to say is like there is a scope there because there is number. So for example, I got a IPL deal and they wanted the whole faculty to make, which was 40 people to dance on the same song. And then where the play came, like that's where when I charge like 40 lakh rupees or 25 lakh rupees, कि हाँ ठीक है, and then I gave money. So I'm building something. I can't do it because I'm doing already so many things. But if it cannot be just one brand deal, it can be
many people.
40-50 लोग हैं dancer. Because what Red Bull is doing, we need to see carefully. Red Bull is building a b-boying community and then making it like a WWF or like I might be using the wrong word, but
like,
they are building it into a sport.
Yeah.
So जब उनका entry भी होता है, you see they come from a tunnel like a boxer. So if boxing can reach there, why not b-boying? So they are playing it very smartly and उनके लिए भी बहुत मुश्किल है क्योंकि डांस इतना like you can't compare dance battle with the cricket or with boxing or football. लेकिन they are also signing young athletes. They are also paying monthly salary to one of my best friend Majid. He's from Germany. He's a Red Bull athlete. He's paid monthly. His body's insurance, like his recovery. They go to a special place for 3 days just to recover their body. They're flying business classes. So I mean, कहीं से start हो रहा है ना. अगर मैंने ये बहुत चीजें देखी है जो वेस्ट में होता है वो धीरे 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 इंडिया में आता है बिकॉज थोड़ा हम लेट रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं. अभी रेड बुल ने टॉम को साइन किया है. ही इज वन ऑफ आवर फैकल्टी इन बॉम्बे. सो आई थिंक वो स्टार्ट हुआ है. अभी उसके अंदर इतना जूस नहीं होगा बट इवेंचुअली Reebok is signing athletes, dance athlete. The Nike main team from I think from US came to meet me personally.
Oh, crazy.
In Bombay. And you will be surprised what they said. He's like, do you know what is the biggest sport in US? I was like, football. There's like no basketball. And the number of people who play basketball and the amount of people who walk into dance studios are 3 times.
What?
हाँ. So the training camps of basketball
Yeah.
is 1/3 the number of people who are doing dancing in US. So why are we not building a shoe? और हमारे पास
Yeah.
रनिंग का है, हमारे पास साइकिलिंग का है, हमारे पास डांसिंग का कुछ भी नहीं है.
Yeah. In fact, यहाँ पर तो that was such a big problem for years with
या
even like
हम लोग
हमारे पास
को गेयर ही नहीं
leotard
मिले,
थे.
लियोटार्ड नहीं थे, बैले शूज कभी नहीं मिले, जैज शूज कभी नहीं मिले. ये सब लोग, हम जब भी कोई बाहर जाता था कितने एक्साइटेड होते
Please
थे
लेके
यार,
आना.
प्लीज लेके आना हमारे लिए, है ना.
Yeah.
सो दे आर ट्राइंग टू केटर दिस which they feel is going to be the biggest thing ever. So they're building a shoe for b-boys, they're building a you know, kapda for like specifically for dancers, like जैसे dry fits आए थे ऐसा, they are building a technology behind it.
Yeah.
And I think it's a good thing.
That's amazing.
That's amazing. They went to China, they went to meet me, and मतलब इंडिया आए, मिले आकांक्षा और मेरे से, बहुत लंबा उन्होंने conversation किया. It's like, what do you feel is missing?
Yeah.
Is the comfort more important or the style more important for dancers? So they have, उनके पास पूरा वो ready होके आए थे.
हाँ.
So if a
Because they've done
Nike, Red Bull, Reebok, all these people are getting into dance space, then I feel
The
there
horizon
is a
is very
scope.
good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there is a scope. Definitely.
No, that's insane if
Yeah.
they're actually able to create that line. Because
If they are. But again, it's like dancers के पास मनी पावर इतना नहीं है टू इन्वेस्ट. लाइक हमारे साथ प्रॉब्लम भी ये है ना कि अगर हम क्रिकेट खेलेंगे, चाहे हम पहुंचे ना पहुंचे, आई थिंक इन इंडिया योर पेरेंट्स विल स्टिल इन्वेस्ट इनटू यू,
Yeah.
बिकॉज दे फील इट्स स्टिल सस्टेनेबल. बट डांसर में आई नो, मैं हर रोज एक बच्चे से डील करता हूँ लाइक कि पेरेंट्स नहीं मान रहे आज भी. तो कहाँ से, अगर उन्होंने 10,000 20,000 का शूज बना भी दिया,
yeah.
which add a performance value, how many people will buy it, and then eventually what will Nike do with that?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's a tricky space, but I think it's opening.
Yeah, but it's a positive sign for sure.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I was very happy to meet them.
Yeah, that I've just suddenly like become really happy about something else. But yeah. But I wanted to also touch upon this from one perspective, because I think this is something that a lot of students battle. And now that we've opened this conversation with Nike and like clothing and stuff, if I am somebody who, let's say, doesn't have access to gear the same way, right? Like, नहीं खरीद सकती मैं 5,000 का लियोटार्ड, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट? और लाइक जैज शूज यूज्ड टू बी सच अ बिग थिंग, राइट? समथिंग इवन एज बेसिक एज लाइक फुट थॉन्ग्स, राइट? लाइक you don't think that it's thing, but like whatever, it adds up, right? Have you ever had any situations where you've encountered students talking to you about like perception and insecurity? Because I feel like in the West we talk about this a lot. In India, I've not seen it happen publicly as much. Like in the West, it was like ballerinas don't eat, for example, right? Like, or the pressure to stand in front of a mirror for that long. In India, I feel like I've never been a part of a space where we've had those conversations. So on a personal like teacher front, have you seen that?
बहुत होता है. मतलब मैं कल ही सिखा रहा था, and this guy is like, these people are very scared in PDSP because बहुत सारे लोग दिल्ली पहली बार आए हैं. It's like, sir, am I looking nice? Am I wearing what I should wear? I was like, bro, it's okay, chill. मतलब इतना नहीं है सब कुछ. And people are, when you are young ना, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि हर कोई, जैसे अब now we can sit and talk about we don't care, but when you are 16, when you are 18, everything you feel like everyone is judging you. I should be perfect in what I do. And he's like, sir, I'm 16, मैंने बहुत लेट स्टार्ट किया है. I was like, यार 16 साल में तो मैं डांस भी नहीं कर रहा था ब्रो, आप इतना क्यों सोच रहे हो? Like, you know,
do you think that's changed? Like, I'm genuinely, this is something I think about a lot of age.
यार मुझे ऐसा लगता है, to be honest, age is just a number. I feel if you start and you put 100% into it, you can do anything. Like, ये थोड़ा physical है, तो athlete wise आप बोल सकते हो मुश्किल है, but if you start like 14, 15, 18, it's fine. Even if you start at 20, it's fine. You don't have to start at 9. If you start at 9, nothing like it. I'm not saying. But किसी को गोल पता थोड़ी होता है. हर किसी को थोड़ी पता होता है कि मैं 10 साल में डांसर बनना चाहता हूँ. And even if you like it, will the community, will your parents, will the family support it? You can't do anything at that time. And I think now when you start, you start. and then you just put 100% into it.
Yeah.
And I think you can do it. It's okay. It's okay. Till I feel like I have seen people, my teacher was, I think 71, 72 years old. And he was sitting down, but he was still taking classes. One of my mentors, Jeff Emston, was 57 when I was studying there. So he must be 65 now. And if you see him at 57, he looks like a 31, 32-year-old guy who could do anything in ballet that he
Yeah.
could. So I think it's a process. It's still like
active.
active, top of the line.
Wow.
And what he said to me, I still remember, is like, it's the discipline that you have to. Like everyone, talks about motivation. It's not motivation. It's discipline. Motivation आएगा, चला जाएगा. You can't find motivation every day,
Yeah.
but you can make a discipline. So he the same thing, एक बहुत young बच्चे ने मुझे अभी 4-5 दिन पहले बोला, और मेरे को वो इतना हिट हुआ क्योंकि शायद मुझे उस टाइम समझ नहीं आया था. I was too young. I was 21, 22. I was like, क्या बोल रहे हैं यार, क्लास में चलते हैं. मतलब, we are like that.
Yeah.
And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कुछ 5-10 साल बाद कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो आपको एकदम हिट करते हैं. लाइक यार, ये मेरे साथ पहले हुआ है.
Yeah.
किसी ने मुझे बोला हुआ है. And I was like, sir, how are you so fit, fine, young? And he used to take intermediate advanced class at Broadway, 57-year-old. He would do double tour and stuff. I was like, sir,
हम ही
ये
कर
क्या
ले
हो
वो.
रहा है? मतलब, and he was fan, like he was nice because Karan and me were two Indian twin-looking boys, and he's like, you guys are hardworking and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
he's like, he said it to me like, discipline.
Yeah.
You have to get up. You have to do training. You have to train in ballet. You have to do it consistently. There is no break. There is no ups and downs. There is no alternate of training.
Yeah.
You just have to constantly do it and you will reach. So I feel हो जाएगा. मतलब है, insecurities है, scope है. और to be honest, आपने जो बोला ना बहुत सही है, because the main goal of PDSP and Big Dance now, after talking to you, and I speak to my team a lot about it, is to create that space for them, safe space for them. It's not safe. सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप आए और इस vicinity में आप safe हो. There are lot of things. There are a lot of small things
Yeah.
that as a BDC we are trying to focus, where we can make it safe for people. Like emotionally, like if you feel like यार अगर मैं अच्छा नहीं लग रहा हूँ या I am not able to afford it, it's our job to make them comfortable. It's our job to make them, it's okay. We'll figure it out. कर लेंगे, ये चलेगा, अभी चलेगा, next month देखते हैं. And try and like धीरे उनको बताना और ये सारी चीजें करना. Like,
I'm gonna ask you something, and I like as honest as you can be about this, right? But like while we are talking about teachers, and we talked about this a little bit earlier also, okay, that landscape has also evolved, obviously, and is still evolving in terms of just a teacher's own ability and knowledge and things. How has that landscape changed for you in terms of like what is available as a teacher today, right? Because I feel like when we started, we were talking about, let's say, the knowledge of anatomy or the knowledge of careers, like we're talking about it. I'm saying even within Big Dance, right? For example, you've done it. So I'm assuming that there would be a difference in like taking class with you versus someone who's just started teaching at Big Dance, obviously, right? Yeah. But across the industry, how are you seeing the teacher-student relationship change and navigate that?
It's difficult to explain because क्या हो रहा है, education, dance education is, after COVID, मैंने बहुत बड़ा shift देखा है. So there is primarily no relationship between student and teacher now. To be very honest, it has become, वो जो पहले module होता था ना, I have invested my 4 years to Sadhya. I would go there at 9, reach there at 9. My class starts at 9:30 or like whatever, 10 to 2. We would do training with sir. And to lunch के बाद 3 बजे अगर हमारा कोई शो है या हम कोई प्रोफेशनल काम कर रहे हैं, it will start from 3 onward.
Yeah.
So वो जो रिलेशनशिप था ना, वो तब बिल्ड हुआ था जब हम उनके साथ टाइम दिया था. अब now I feel lot of people are not, they are jumping from one class to another or one workshop to another or one teacher to another. उसमें ना रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करना आई एम नॉट एबल टू क्रिएट एनी, जब तक मेरे पास बंदा टाइम नहीं देगा, हाउ वुड आई अंडरस्टैंड एंड क्रिएट दैट रिलेशनशिप?
And
सो आई
why would
फील
you want to?
व्हाई आई मीन आई वुड बी डूइंग रॉन्ग मे बी। सी बहुत सारे सब लेयर्स हैं, है ना, टीचिंग में भी, लाइक टेक्निकली ऑल्सो एंड इमोशनली ऑल्सो। नाउ आई एम, मतलब 20 साल हो गए हैं सिखाते हुए या सीखते हुए, तो आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड, बट यू ऑल्सो हैव टू गिव मी टाइम, यू ऑल्सो हैव टू बिलीव इन मी, यू हैव टू, अगर आप 1-2 साल दोगे या कुछ टाइम तो दोगे, तभी आई विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड। और अब तो बहुत यंग जनरेशन्स आ गई हैं और टीचर भी काफ़ी यंग है, मतलब दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग चूज द राइट मेंटोर ऑल्सो, बिकॉज वो आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ों में और हेल्प करेगा, बट दैट रिलेशनशिप इज मिसिंग टुडे आई फील, क्योंकि रेगुलर ट्रेनिंग कम हो गई है। 4-4-5 पहले डांस वर्क्स में कितना टाइम देते थे लोग? 6 साल, 7 साल, 9 साल, 10 साल। आप किसी से पूछो 10 साल एक कंपनी में देना, इट्स लाइक यू माइट बी नॉट इनटू द सीन राइट नाउ, बट you could feel it, right? के it is not happening the way it used to happen. So वो relationship build करना बहुत मुश्किल है। क्लास के बाहर कोई नहीं टाइम देता। I always tell, like, if you don't spend time with teacher, you will never be able to learn from a teacher. No matter how many classes you will do. आप कर लो 100 क्लासें, कितना करोगे? मंडे वेडनेसडे 2 क्लास करोगे, 100 क्लासें कब होंगी? आपका 1 साल बाद। आपने 1 साल में 150 घंटा 200 घंटा दिया। We would spend that 200 hours in 2 months, 3 months. बिकॉज मैं सर खा जाता था जाके कि सर ये कैसे होगा, वो कैसे होगा। लंच के बाद भी बैठे हुए हैं, शोज के बाद भी बैठे हुए हैं। वी वुड स्पेंड 4 hours ऑफ एवरी डे। जब प्रोडक्शंस बनती थी, इट वुड बी लाइक 3 months, 12 hours, 13 hours. वी वर इन्वॉल्व इन कॉस्ट्यूम। सर बोलते थे ये कपड़ा खरीद के लेके आओ, ये सबके लिए शूज ले आओ, या मतलब ऐसा। वी वर इन्वॉल्व इन केटरिंग, फ्रॉम बुकिंग, लाइक 8-10 लोगों की टीम है, यही करना है हमको। और मतलब
But that's how you also learn, right?
That's how you make a connection. तभी तो सर आपको कुछ बता पाएंगे, because it's not about just dancing, it's about your past, your life, your personal behavior, your personal, हर बंदा अलग है ना, you
And
can't
trust.
trust, and then only you can say something or and improve after that, you know. So वो relationship I personally feel वो मेरा तो नहीं है किसी के साथ अभी, and I feel जितने भी टीचर्स को मैं जानता हूँ, they also might have someone जो बहुत पुराना होगा, but अभी नए वाले में तो it just hop in hop off, what I call it like workshop pattern. So you will not be able to have that relationship now. And when it comes to technicality like body anatomy and something, this is what I studied, ठीक है, जब हम पढ़ रहे थे. So in PDSP we give a brochure. There is a online link. पहले हम प्रिंट आउट देते थे जब हम ओल्ड स्कूल थे, अब हम एक लिंक देते हैं जिसमें बॉडी एनाटॉमी होती है, मसल होता है पूरा, बोन स्ट्रक्चर होता है, इंजरी प्रिवेंशन होता है, बैले टर्मिनोलॉजी होती है. सो देयर इज अ किट एंड वी रिवाइज इट, मतलब उसमें चेंजेस करते हैं. वी गिव सेफ्टी प्रोटोकॉल्स इन डेली, वी गिव इंजरी प्रिवेंशन कॉल्स, एंड वी ऑल्सो गिव फिजियोथेरेपी कि अगर ऐसा हो तो ये 5-6 जगहें आप जा सकते हो. वी हैव फिगर्ड दैट आउट, बिकॉज जो लोग दिल्ली में नहीं है उनके लिए एक फर्स्ट हैंड किट होना चाहिए, मतलब लाइक उनके पास होना चाहिए. बट आफ्टर 2 weeks आया, किसने खोला? बहुत कम लोग हैं जो वो खोलते हैं. सो एज अ स्टूडेंट यू नीड टू बी अ बेटर स्टूडेंट बिफोर यू वांट अ बेटर टीचर, बिकॉज जितना आप खरीदोगे उतना ही निकलेगा. बट इफ यू डोंट वांट टू टच, सो देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम वेयर पीपल डोंट हैव टाइम और don't, मतलब 2-3 साल 4 साल 5 साल देने पड़ेंगे to build that relationship.
Fair enough. Okay, I want to also kind of understand and dig a little bit deeper, be a better student, into understanding your approach to the branding side on the company lens. Because I think what you've done as Big Dance is build that brand, which is harder to do in the industry that we come from, right? So can you just take us through that a little bit in terms of like, and like you said, us samay to chalo, like it's the intention and not the plan. Like you didn't know it was going to become this. But now that you can look back at it, what are the 2-3 things that have helped you in building a brand and an institution like Big Dance today?
I think और भी बड़ा कर सकते थे हम. Like I would feel whatever we are doing today is not something, कोई special नहीं कर रहे हैं. It's like the best thing what happened to me is like I had a great aesthetics when it comes to branding. So if you see, from the first day onwards, we hired a company called Tasmania Designs, and they were like, that time they were like top of the league. So
Yeah.
we paid like what, 2 lakh rupees for a logo design that time.
Crazy. Okay.
40,000
yeah.
rupees for a logo design, but then branding, sub branding,
Yeah.
you know, ये इसको यहाँ लिखेंगे तो ऐसा लिखा जाएगा, फिर then brochures बने. उस टाइम बहुत वो होता था कि विजिटिंग कार्ड भी होंगे. अब नहीं होता, अब तो सब कुछ हो गया, but the whole brand
package,
identity, including website, and we were like, okay, यार, why do we want to do it? What color do we want it? So we wanted to introduce a brand which has certain brand identity, because I feel like it is very important. The thing we could improve was when we got Blue Eyes and we got Char Bottle Vodka, Love Dose. These were like massive hit that time.
Yeah.
We were not using social media to promote that. We did not, मतलब हमने 1 इंच भी उसका पोस्ट नहीं डाला कभी भी नहीं डाला. We were doing work after work. We did. So first song was Blue Eyes.
Yeah.
Blue Eyes was a big hit. ठीक है, we were going to Mirchi Music Awards. We were performing it on CCL, Celebrity Cricket. These are all big platforms.
Yeah.
Umang Award. We were performing the world tour with Shah Rukh Khan, Temptation Reloaded. We did Malaysia tour. We did Dubai. We did Australia, New Zealand. We never posted a single photo. Never. And I don't know why. I regret because that could, वो उसको multifold कर सकता था. And the second thing I regret is like that time I got so many calls from different pop stars and different thing, but I was too busy with one artist. Not busy, we were getting work, काम बहुत आ रहा था, but I think थोड़ा सा टाइम निकाल के अगर उधर भी डाला जाता तो I would be making more connections. क्योंकि उस टाइम सब लोग बहुत यंग थे. मतलब मुझे बादशाह का भी कॉल आया था उस टाइम. And Basha was, technically Basha Bhai was not in the scene that time. Too Many Girls करके गाना था. अभी आप देखोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा. I got call from like his team to do it. Then that time Ikka also called. I think मुझे कर लेना चाहिए था. मेरे लिए भी बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस होता, बिकॉज मुझे जेन्युइनली ब्लू आइज में मेरे को कुछ जो आता था मैं वहां पे भी कर देता. तो आई थिंक वो इनोसेंस वाला पार्ट जो था ना वो काम कर जाता उस टाइम, लाइक कि हम लोगों को कुछ आता नहीं है बट हम बस करे जा रहे हैं. तो आई थिंक दैट दोज आर द टू थिंग्स दैट व्हेन आई लुक बैक
You would do it differently.
I would do it differently.
Yeah. Interesting. Okay. I think from the lens of this podcast, I think we've touched upon it in many different shapes and forms. But before we sign off for today, I want to I want you to just look deep down, and if you could give the next set of dancers coming into the industry today, if you could say one thing to them, what would it be?
अगर एक ही चीज बोलेंगे तो ट्रेन. Like training, not in terms of just dance. I feel like dancers का ना एक बहुत specific goal बन जाता है. Like when you see just like के मुझे ये dance form में ये class करके ये करना है. But it doesn't work like that. आपको ना you need to learn multiple things. Like my teacher used to say के आपको 10 चीजों में better होना पड़ेगा. आप dancing में 10 on 10 होगे, but the way you present yourself, there are a lot of things, the way you talk, the anatomy knowledge, or the history of certain things, or coming from a choreography side where you know camera, the choreography, or you come from a side where you know light, or maybe you know edit. All these things is going to add to your main skill. And I feel a lot of people lack that because they are just focusing on one thing, and we have a lot of time in life. 24 घंटे होते हैं दिन में. अगर हम 2 या 3 या 5 घंटे की क्लास भी कर रहे हैं, if we learn certain things for next 3 hours or 2 hours for next 2 years, let's just say we built a camera movement kind of a thing, you add that skill, you will feel very different. You will feel very confident when you go and pitch yourself in a music video. You can't just go as a choreographer and tell them कि हाँ मुझे steps बनाने आते हैं. Because every field, even if you are on stage, even with your team, how to take a tech run, how to deal with the client, how will your taxes will work. Because if you are working with Wizcraft or Kumnik or any bigger company, they will not tell you कि यार आपको पहले देखते ही they'll be like he'll not be able to handle it. And when they sit with us is like they know we can handle it. They know we can handle the biggest of the biggest event in
Yeah.
a professional way. They know that कुछ ऐसी चीजें होंगी जो उन तक पहुंचेगी भी नहीं,
Yeah.
है ना? If you know it, if
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have 100 dancers and किसी को इंजरी हो जाता है या कोई नहीं आता, we know how to handle it.
Yeah.
We'll not make like how the travel will work, how the foods will work, how we know all the
Yeah.
detail of it. So they need to learn, they need to work with people, assist them, stay with them, understand the whole ecosystem of it,
Yeah.
and then get into it. Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, अगर मेरे पास 8 घंटे है, let's say 24 घंटे तो चलो.
हाँ, 24 घंटे थोड़ा practical नहीं है.
हाँ, no, I'm saying like, हाँ, मतलब you'll spend
But
time.
can I tell you honestly, I spend 16 to 12 to 16 hours for big dance. And that's why, like, you run a business. Time लगता है.
Yeah,
Time
yeah,
देना
for
पड़ता है.
sure.
So, it might not be कि studio में जाके दूं.
Yeah.
But when I'm sitting at home also, मैं कुछ ना कुछ उस चीज के लिए कर रहा हूँ. If I have a 1 hour meeting with my finance team, and 7 को GST भरना है, 7 को TDS भरना है, 20 को GST भरना है, OTPs will only come to either my phone or Akanksha phone.
Yeah.
Then you have to take out time, no matter where in the
Yeah.
world you are. You have to take that 1 hour,
Yeah.
no matter what
Yeah.
you do. So that is still I'm devoting, वो time भी big dance का ही है.
For sure. Yeah.
तो अगर आप मतलब 12 घंटे 15 घंटे लग जाते हैं यार बिजनेस में. When you sleep also you are making few calls, you are mailing, or you are talking to someone, sending a presentation, or talking to someone is like ये कलर नहीं होना चाहिए, ये कलर.
Yeah.
That's also time I feel
Yeah.
like it's for big dance.
No,
yeah.
I was saying from the perspective of अगर as a dancer मेरे पास 8 घंटे है, let's say productive
Yeah.
8 hours of work. I think a lot of the approach becomes 8 घंटे studio, right? Would you say it's
No,
the better?
it's the wrong approach.
Yeah,
It's
that's what I
completely
was-
wrong approach. 3 hours to studio, do 2 classes. 3 to 3.5 hour, 4 hour, whatever. If it's a 1.5 hour class, generally classes 1 घंटा 15 मिनट या 1.5 घंटे की होते हैं. Do 2 classes. I don't prefer working out more than 3 hours because your brain also get fatigue. You will travel for 1 hour. You will go back 1 hour. 5 घंटे तो यही हो गए. ठीक है. तो I will prefer 3 hours of training with teacher in a school.
Yeah.
And then when you go back, give 2 hours to जो आपने आज सीखा है. Imagine you go to a school, ठीक है, आप पढ़ाई करने गए, आपको किसी ने एक मॉर्निंग में चैप्टर समझाया, आपने वो रिवाइज नहीं किया. Will you come back with the same thing next day? You can never. You can never come back. So if you सपोज कोई भी चीज आपने सीखा, आपने हाउस सीखा, आपने हाउस का एक स्टेप सीखा, या आपने पिवट सीखा, या कोई भी टेक्निकल चीज सीखा, इफ यू गो बैक एंड गिव इट 1 hour, 2 hour, आपका जो जर्नी जो 2 महीने में होना था ना, वो 2 हफ्ते में हो
Yeah,
जाएगा.
yeah.
Especially with the technical dance forms, because you have to constantly do it.
Yeah.
And then from the brain memory, it becomes your muscle memory.
Yeah.
जब तक यहाँ पे रहेगा तब तक आपको बार बार रिवाइज करना पड़ेगा when it comes to your body, and it will only going to come into your body when you repeat it. And then if you take a break or do whatever, then work on a secondary skill. Why I'm saying this? It's very practical. Diversification of art within the art. Like if you have a paid, you can't be just like this. You have to branch out.
Yeah.
So in terms of big dance, the success and where big dance is today, maybe successful or not, but even if big dance is sustainable, is because we have different branches. So if Bombay is not working, Delhi will work this
Yeah.
month. If Delhi is not working, Bombay will work.
Yeah.
If nothing is working, PDSP will come.
Yeah.
It will bring the influx that
Yeah.
time. If PDSP is not working, then there are Orange Weekend, there is Camp Big Dance. We
Or
sell
there's commercial work.
There's commercial work.
Yeah.
Like Akanksha is a stylist. She comes in with different flavor. I go out, do a corporate show. I do कुछ नहीं मिला तो नवंबर में एक बड़ी वेडिंग आ गई.
Yeah.
अगर हम वो सब नहीं करेंगे ना, तो वो नहीं होगा. So if you're sticking to just one part, कि I'll become a performer in a music video and this is my life, then you are gone. If you learn a skill of making your own posters, building your own social media, make your own videos, edit it.
Yeah.
यू डोंट नीड एनीवन. बहुत सारे डांसर ये आते हैं, सर हमारे पास कैमरा नहीं है, हमारे पास एडिटर नहीं है. ये सब बकवास है. आज की डेट में भी अगर आपको ये बोलना पड़ रहा है ना, सबके पास आईफोन्स हैं. यू कैन डू अमेजिंग थिंग्स ऑन दैट फोन.
Yeah.
यू जस्ट नीड अ, वो होता है ना, फायर चाहिए सीखने का और करने के लिए. एंड देन सोशल मीडिया हैज मेड इट सो इजी फॉर
Yeah.
एवरीवन. लाइक यू
That's
नो,
for sure. Yeah.
so why are we not doing it? So वो 2-3 घंटा वो किया, 2 घंटा प्रैक्टिस किया, and maybe 1 or 2 hour built a skill.
Yeah.
Built a skill. I have built, सो मैं ना थोड़ा सेल्फ ट्रेंड नहीं हूँ. आई हैव ऑलवेज लर्न, मेरे को अच्छा लगता है स्कूल जाना.
Yeah.
क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है स्कूल में आप लोगों से बहुत सीखते हो टीचर के अलावा. सो आई वेंट टू यूएससी टू लर्न म्यूजिक वीडियो डायरेक्शन एंड आई वाज लाइक इतनी अमेजिंग लोग हैं ना क्लास में, उनसे बात करके ही मजा आता है. क्योंकि कोई एक लड़की थी जो कि ओलंपिक विनर है फ्रॉम यूएस in basketball and she is doing this course. It's like I am
crazy.
fascinated to
Yeah.
do it and I because my career is not that long. मैं शायद 5 साल बाद नहीं खेलूं.
Yeah.
तो she likes it, she's doing it. There was one guy who was like the top director in Europe and he's still coming back. So I feel like
Thirst.
वो आपको टाइम देना पड़ेगा उसको. वो 2-3 घंटे अगर आप दोगे और एक एक्स्ट्रा स्किल सीख लोगे. एंड आई टेल स्टूडेंट्स कि अगर आप कैमरा सीख लो ना, मतलब कैमरा लेंसिंग, हाउ टू डू dance video, like how to see the choreography from the lens perspective.
Yeah.
It's an amazing skill. It's fascinating. It becomes 3D. Your
Yeah.
mind opens. And when
And
you
you're-
go back to like, classes also, you feel very different. Ki yaar, why I'm making one-dimensional choreo?
Yeah,
why
yeah,
I'm
yeah.
looking in mirror and doing it? Why can't I do all of this?
Yeah.
This is the whole space for me.
Yeah.
Because जब तक आप नई space में जाके नया skill नहीं सीखोगे, how will you open your mind?
Yeah. And then you can also translate it the way that you want to today.
Yeah.
ना मेरी vision ऐसे video में भी कैसे लगेगी कि
हाँ.
is important for me
It's
to know if I'm
important.
actually
Yeah.
putting it out. Okay, I have 2 last questions
Yes.
for you, Atul, today. What is the worst piece of advice you've ever received as a dancer?
ये वैसे हमारी उसमें था नहीं. Anyways, no.
मैंने तो बोला ही था,
Worst
off
piece of-
script is
off
the
script.
name.
Yeah. No, I'm kidding. Worst piece of advice is success. Can I be honest?
Yeah, I want you to be honest.
Yeah. No, I am always honest.
Yeah.
So someone told me like success when I was starting, like success and money are two different things. But now I feel, to be very honest, they are somewhere very. You can't be successful and still be broke, and you can't work hard if you are not making enough money. So someone told me like, don't think of money, just think of this and blah blah blah. It doesn't work like that.
Yeah.
You need money. बहुत सारे लोग ये बोलते हैं ना कि art is not about this, success is not about this.
But खाली पेट पे आर्ट भी नहीं बनते हैं.
खाली पेट आर्ट भी नहीं बनता है. एंड हाउ, मतलब आप कितना टाइम कर लोगे ना यार, कितना टाइम कर लोगे. आई डोंट बिलीव इन दैट थ्योरी नाउ. सो आई फील वो एडवाइस को मैंने बहुत टाइम माना.
Yeah.
बट नाउ 15 years into business, if I'm not able to make money, सक्सेस का पैरामीटर बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती है, बट वन इज मनी. I might sound money minded here, but if you're not able, if art is not giving you enough money to at least sustain, take care of your parents or your lifestyle,
Life, yeah.
then there is something missing. You will not be able to do it. कितना टाइम कर लोगे ना यार, कितना टाइम कर लोगे.
And किस आग से करते रहोगे?
किस आग से कर, 1 साल करोगे, 2 साल करोगे, you will be like, मतलब बर्नआउट क्या होता है. इसे ही तो वो बोलते हैं ना कि you are feeling fatigue, you are feeling burned out, you're like, you feeling hopeless. If money is a big motivation.
Yeah.
So I feel I will say everyone, like, think about the
Balance.
balance it out. Like,
Yeah.
balance it out, figure it out. It's not about just money, or it's not about just hype and success.
Yeah.
It needs to be
Yeah.
balanced, because हमने बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें करी हैं, लाइक कर लेते हैं, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो इजी नहीं होता है. लाइक यू हैव टू सस्टेन.
Yeah.
Lot of people come to me, very creative people, like they are not sustaining. यार, अगर if you are not able to do basic things, like a lot of people go to US, Broadway चले जाते हैं, and they're like, हमें वहाँ काम करना है. करो, अच्छी बात है. बट अगर आप 2-3 साल बाद भी अगर सस्टेनेबल मॉडल नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे हो यूके, यूएस, यूरोप में, then there is something wrong. You can't be struggling throughout your life कि in terms of कि मैं किसी दिन करूँगा, है ना. मतलब I feel like,
Yeah. No,
I mean,
I see where you're coming from. I guess I think that's also a perspective thing, because हमारी the industry में, like the lives that you and I have had, for example, we're also two people who, and I can say this having now known you for however long I've known you, of saying कि यार, we are the kind of people who value ambition and success and business in a certain manner, and we also value art and our creative side of things, right? for I've met, so now I think also because of this and in general you meet people who are like, hey, what is my definition of sustainable? अब ये भी एक अलग
हाँ, ये अलग
चैप्टर है ना
chapter
कि
है।
मतलब यार मेरा 3 मील का खाना मेरे टेबल पे रख रहा है, that's my sustainability. I may be
It
able
can
to
be
do that
different,
as an
yeah.
artist, right?
Yeah.
But let's say for the kind of life that we live or the industries that we occupy, we are ambitious, so we may look at it very differently,
Yeah.
right? So that, I mean, I think I see where you're coming from, but I also feel like there are enough people who will say art for art's sake because that's their journey,
Yeah.
and fair enough. But I agree with the idea of sustainability.
Yeah.
But because if you can't look after yourself, then you will
And your
definitely.
family and your parents.
Yeah.
Like,
Your
I feel a lot of
ecosystem.
dancers के साथ बहुत होता है यार ये.
Yeah.
मतलब मेरे को हर महीने एक कॉल आता है. Like my Akanksha's dad is a government servant, like a high post. So anyone goes to any government hospital, you know how it is.
Yeah.
And they call me, I feel very bad.
Yeah.
And I call dad and dad make few call and stuff like that. And it happens very regularly. I was like, bro, तू क्या कर रहा है यार? अगर 10 साल में अगर आप अपने मॉम डैड का इन अ क्रिटिकल टाइम इवन इफ यू डोंट हैव इनफ मनी
Yeah.
देन मैं शायद छोड़ देता आर्ट अगर मेरे पास नहीं होता तो
Yeah.
आई बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट
No, I understand
आई
that.
वुड जस्ट गो एंड सेल
Yeah.
Anything.
Whatever.
Yeah,
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah. At that point, you'll do anything.
I if something happens to me, my parent, my wife, if I'm not able to give them the means that
Yeah.
they deserve, it's art.
That's-
Matlab, it's just my personal feeling.
No,
And
I get
I feel
that.
like you don't have to aim for buying a helicopter or a Mercedes Benz and stuff like
Yeah.
that. It will come if you work. Like
Yeah.
I feel like, but एक वो होता है ना कि लोगों के पास वो भी नहीं है जो कि बेसिक वो होता है. मैं बहुत सारे डांसर से मिलता हूँ. डू हैव अ हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस? सर नहीं है. Like, you know, do you have like this much? Is like नहीं है. So भाई तू कर क्या रहा है 5 साल से? Why are you doing it? Find out a way to do it.
Yeah.
Like do a job.
Yeah.
ट्रेन फॉर 5 hours, डू अ जॉब. हम यूएस में करते थे. तो तुम क्यों इतने जाके 24/7 में जॉब करो यार? क्या प्रॉब्लम है? बट वही है मतलब लाइक आई फील
Yeah.
बैड बट आई एम लाइक
Have to be real
Yeah,
also.
you have to be real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the best piece of advice you've received?
Okay. So जब मैं बिग डांस स्टार्ट कर रहा था and my mama ji is a big businessman, like he told me never undervalue your product or your art, right? Because I feel like what he meant is like if you undervalue, then the whole world is going to undervalue, and if you have to sell yourself faster, charge high. And I think वो मेरा एक मोटो बन गया, and that's why big dance became big, because the name was very like एक सोच थी
Yeah.
but then नहीं वो सिर्फ एक नाम था, वो एक सोच बन गई.
Yeah.
Like you know why big dance is because the ideology was big. It's like we want to open the biggest school, we wanted to open that one line became the
Guiding.
guiding for the big
Yeah.
dance. Like why big? Because he
Yeah.
told me like think big. Always think of your art as not
Yeah.
कि चल जाएगा, मतलब like you are a part of that product or that music video or that corporate, and sell yourself the way कि आपको लगे कि यार इससे अच्छा product कोई नहीं है. So I feel that worked for me. That became a backbone, the ideology of big, I feel like. And every time someone come and ask me what does big means, I feel like it's ideology. We want to do like the biggest community programs. We want to build the biggest schools. We want to build the biggest merchandising, and big as in numbers also, and big in terms of like the idea also. Like we might
Yeah.
reach to less people, but the idea behind is huge. It's international.
Yeah.
It's mass. Yeah.
So I know I said last two, but I have one more
Yeah,
question.
please.
I feel like I could go on for a very long time right now. But I do want to know, I mean, we've talked about how the industry's changed.
Yeah.
What is your hope for the dance industry for the next 10 years?
Again, I will be honest. Industry as in like from all the sides, I feel like,
Yeah.
So if you see from the school side or from the training side or from the industry side, as in like the corporate or the music video segment, I am, as in today's time, I'm not very happy with it, to be honest. Maybe because I am old school, but I feel like the training is missing, the connection between teacher and student, giving time to a company or a crew or a production or something with less money or no money or with the right intention is missing somewhere. Industry, we have spoken, like, there is a huge gap between what a creative person wants to create or like,
Yeah.
the label or artist is
Yeah.
looking at. I went to I attend this Jam Republic thing every year. It's one of the biggest camps happen in Vietnam. And pre-COVID, we were like hitting that mark where I could see like international people and Indian people like, coming closer and the
Yeah.
gap was less. But last 2-3 years, I mean, the gap is increasing. I see
Yeah.
those people really working hard, especially the South Asian, Korean, Japanese, Singapore, Malaysia. All these communities are working very hard. K-pop is big. Everyone is doing बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं ताकि they can, do something in their life. But
Yeah.
I think India is becoming a little more comfortable when it comes to dance as I don't know about the music, but if you feel the same thing, but dance, I feel we have to work very hard. We have to work very hard. Like for a music video, I would say there is a very set pattern of the music video designing. Like there'll be a hook, there'll be great lights, and then there'll be you go dark, you go story, you go something, and most of the time it does not work. But we are not open to ideas, we are not open to training. So I feel there is a gap, but I think when there is a gap, there is an opportunity.
Yeah.
And then there is someone like us and next generation will come in and fill that gap. If you're going like there is no thing. And I feel like as a businessman, when there is a gap, there is a money.
Yeah.
And I feel like I hate to say that there should be a gap, but at the other side, it's a good opportunity to learn
Yeah.
and grow. And
Yeah. And for a lot of people, right? Like, I think now is the time, like we said.
now is the time. Like for the next generation, they can do a lot of things. They
Yeah.
can do a lot of things. I feel like
Yeah.
I feel it's a great time for them.
Okay. And on that positive note, thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you,
This
Ji.
was so much fun.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Ji.
If you enjoyed this conversation, like, share, and subscribe to help us bring you more unfiltered creative stories. Got someone in mind for our next guest? Drop your suggestions in the comments and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode.